Iron Mountain's Northern Virginia campus is located in Manassas, Virginia. The data center market in Northern Virginia is unique. It is the largest data center market in the world, and it's also one of the most interconnected data center markets in the world. Our campus has over 7 providers that have built in their own dark fiber. We have 22 connectivity partners and carriers in the facility, and if a customer needs connectivity beyond that, we have the Lynx Nova Exchange in the building, and we also operate our Metro Wave product from our facility up to Equinix Ashburn, as well as to core site Reston. That makes us one of the few connectivity providers in the market that extends their ecosystem beyond the 4 walls of their data center into our competitors' ecosystems. Between what we can provide and what the 22 connectivity partners can provide, we're ready to solve any of our customers' needs.